Welcome to Code Station.
Alright class, today we are going to learn how to create a simple to-do application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's take a look at the code step by step. Let's break down the code of our to-do list in detail. Our HTML structure defines the visual element of our to-do list. An input field where users can type new tasks, like I'm writing here, write homework. The task will be displayed as list items. We use JavaScript to make our to-do list interactive and dynamic. First, we select our HTML elements. We are calling our HTML elements by using the getElementID method. So the task input represents the input field where users enter the task. Add task button represents the button to add task. The task list represents the unordered list where task will be displayed. Now adding a task. When add task button is clicked, it triggers a function called add task. Inside the add task, we retrieve the text entered by the user from task input field, create a new list item li using the document.createElementLi. Set the text content of the new list item to the task text entered by the user. Create a remove button inside each task item. This button is represented by a cross icon. Add an event listener to the remove button. When clicked, it triggers a function to remove the corresponding task from the list. Append the task item along with its remove button to the task list using task_list.appendChild. Now toggling completion. Each task item has an event listener attached. When clicked, it toggles a completed class on and off. The completed class changes the appearance of the task, making it appear crossed out to indicate completion. This functionality allows user to mark tasks as completed or uncompleted with a simple click. By breaking down each part of the code, we have created a to-do list application that allows user to add new tasks to the list, remove tasks from the list, mark task as completed or incompleted by toggling their appearance. Understanding how to manipulate the TOM with JavaScript is essential for building interactive web applications. As you continue learning, you will discover more advanced techniques to enhance your projects further.